These are some slabs we're cutting at the moment, about 5 metres long. These are some we cut yesterday. They're about 3.5, 4 metres long. Not bad slabs, as you can see. Not all of them are perfect, but there's a good lot in them. Here's the first couple of slabs that come off the top of this log. This one here looks like it should be a pretty good slab here. Nice and clean, all the way to the end. Nice solid log in forest red gum, this one. Yeah, anyway. Nice grain all the way through that.